Morning, folks. If I would have turned the camera on 10 seconds earlier, you would have saw two decent-sized bucks run across in front of the truck. Almost bagged them both. Let's see here. We need to drop a gear. Turn down this little road right here with the maybe it's the Prius. Oh man, we gotta stop on the hill. Hope this is a road. Yeah. Grab the plate. Grab the plate. Here we go. Been a while since I was down this road right here. Looks like we got just shy of a quarter mile. Got to hang a Lewis. And, well, that's fun. Rumored to have a cul-de-sac in the back here, so that turning around shouldn't be an issue. All the real estate. Oof, right on the curb back there. 4 inches to spare. Wow. Wow. There's Haas.
The destination is on your left. 1424. Arrived.
Wow, it is a small sack of coal right there. Have I been here before? I don't know. Ah, get her unstrapped. Oh, cedars. Nice. Well, here's the project right now. Let's get all these logs up. Some over there, and then some up above the house. The machine unloaded. Just got to get this thing turned around. It'd be nice if these chips went there. Might need that real estate. We'll find out. First, start in the backyard. That seems to be the more difficult. We got sprinklers in the ground. They gave us permission that we could bump them because they're abandoned. That's cool. Last crew that took all this stuff down, they did everything they could to avoid the sprinklers. Turns out we can just take them out. So, oh, and there's a power line, feed line to the house. Might be cable. So, Mecalac transformer right there. Don't straddle of it. Tricky part's going to be getting the log back over it. Look at that. I'm going to say modern day pricing on that house, $1 million. And you don't have a lot of parking. Put this right here, protect on that tree. So probably got close to 3/4 loop. Hold on. Sure, let's start with the biggest one. Pile of chips didn't help. Wow, got my eyesight on this pile of chips, so it's like sitting on a sponge.
White snow, red sky, reach up for so high. Blue eyes, fake cry, beware of the fox tonight. Cold feet, dark rain, my blood in your frozen veins. Dream high, no pain, run fast in broken chains.
Check out that low hanging wire. That transformer mode worked good underneath that. Pulled all those so I don't have to go back underneath it again. Stage everything up here. We'll get this first pile skidded down the hill. I don't know, the tree outfit that cut these things down, those ones look like they're the same length, but the rest ain't. I don't know what's going on here. They're all supposed to be 17. Don't know. I don't. Not my job. I don't even know. Just gonna pull them down the hill, down this little goat trail that I'm happy is here. I don't even know why it's here, but it's here. There's double whammies. I think we're going downhill.
Turn your rig. And take that up and try it.
Last one come with me. I think a little bit of firewood. $1 million. Below the house with the leach is down in here. It looks like a good spot right where you're at. I just wouldn't do a bunch of turning. the cedars were down the hill. You gotta be packed up the hill rather than that big stuff having to be packed up the hill. That was a bit fun. Not really sure why. Cut saw logs out of it. Decided to cut up a bunch of firewood. All the firewood does is turn into objects that can just roll down the hill. Get my way there. I'm going to show you guys smoothing off the skid trail with a log. Camera died. Looks nice down there though. Yeah. Can't keep on. Everything's got dead battery. Drill gun, leaf blower, other leaf blower, chainsaw, camera. Anyway. A little load of shorts. I know a lot of people are like, wow, what are you doing with that stuff? That's actually Cedar. She's some money there compared to everything else. And then a load of this stuff, heavy, somewhat still valuable. What we're going to try and squeeze out of this place. This trash can that just showed up in the way down there. And this car, we'll make it happen.